Greetings, my lovely YouTube audience. It's an absolute pleasure to have you back on my channel. Today, we're going to be discussing a topic that's of the utmost importance: the dark side of online business. As much as we love the convenience of online shopping and business transactions, scams have become increasingly common, and if you're not careful, you could easily fall prey to one of them. But no worry, because in this video, I will be sharing everything you need to know about online scams and how to avoid them. We'll be covering various types of scams, including phishing scams, pyramid schemes, and fake online stores. You will learn how to identify these scams, what red flags to look out for, and most importantly, how to protect yourself from them. It is crucial to understand that scammers are becoming more and more sophisticated with their techniques. They use psychology to trick and manipulate us into giving them our personal information or money. But by being vigilant and cautious, you can outsmart them and avoid falling for their tricks. So sit tight and prepare to dive deep into the world of online scams. Trust me, the knowledge and tips you'll gain from this video will be invaluable. By the end of it, you'll feel much more confident in your ability to protect yourself from these malicious schemes. I encourage you to take notes and share this video with your friends and family. The more people who know how to identify and avoid scams, the safer we'll all be. So let's get started and learn how to safeguard our online transactions and outsmart the scammers. First off, let's start with one of the most common types of online scams: phishing scams. Phishing scams typically involve fraudulent emails that look like they're from legitimate sources, like banks or even royalty. These scams usually promise large sums of money or prizes in exchange for personal information or payment. The problem is that these emails are often fake and can result in the theft of your personal data or even your money. Nigerian prince scams are a classic example of a phishing scam where the sender claims to have a large sum of money that they want to share with you. Another example is the fraudulent email from a bank or financial institution, asking you to confirm your account information. Always keep in mind that these types of emails are scams and should be treated with caution. The danger with phishing scams is that they can easily trick you into providing sensitive information, such as your bank account details, social security number, or credit card information. To protect yourself from phishing scams, it's crucial to be vigilant and never click on any suspicious links. Always check the email address of the sender, and if it seems suspicious, delete the email right away. Also, make sure to never provide your personal information to anyone you don't trust. Instead, if you receive an email that seems suspicious, contact the institution directly to verify if it's legitimate. Remember, prevention is the best defense when it comes to phishing scams. So, always be cautious and verify any emails before providing any personal information. By taking these simple precautions, you can protect yourself from falling prey to phishing scams and keep your personal data safe. Now, let's talk about another type of scam: pyramid schemes. Pyramid schemes are schemes that offer you the chance to make a lot of money quickly by recruiting more people into the scheme. The only people who make money in these schemes are those at the top of the pyramid. The rest of the participants lose their money. Pyramid schemes often target vulnerable people looking for quick and easy ways to make money. These schemes are illegal and fraudulent. To avoid falling for a pyramid scheme, you need to be vigilant. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Don't invest in any opportunities without doing thorough research. Be skeptical of anyone asking for money upfront without providing you with any real information about the opportunity. Always verify the legitimacy of any investment opportunity before giving anyone your money. Don't get swayed by promises of quick and easy money. Remember, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Stay away from pyramid schemes and any other investment opportunities that promise unrealistic returns. Be careful and always protect your hard-earned money. Another common online scam to watch out for is fake online stores. These fraudulent websites often lure unsuspecting shoppers with unbelievable deals on popular items like designer clothing and electronics. However, after making a purchase, customers never hear from the store again, leaving them out of pocket. In some cases, fake online stores even go as far as stealing credit card information and using it to make unauthorized purchases. To avoid falling victim to these scams, it's crucial to know how to spot a fake online store. One way to do this is by checking if the website has a physical address and phone number listed. Legitimate businesses should have no problem sharing their contact information with their customers. If you can't find an address or phone number, it could be a sign that the website is not legitimate. Additionally, it's always a good idea to read reviews and ratings from other customers who have shopped with the store. If the majority of reviews are negative or mention issues like undelivered products or poor customer service, it's best to avoid that store altogether. Keep in mind that even if a website looks professional and legitimate, it doesn't always mean that it is. Scammers can easily create fake websites that look convincing to trick unsuspecting shoppers. It's always better to be safe than sorry, so if you have any doubts about a website's legitimacy, it's best to avoid it altogether. Remember, never give out your personal information or payment details to an online store that you don't fully trust. By being vigilant and doing your research, you can avoid falling victim to fake online stores and other online scams. So, we've covered the dark side of online business. But don't be discouraged from pursuing your online dreams. You just need to be careful and vigilant. Always use common sense and do your research before making any online transactions. Remember, never give out your personal information or money to anyone you don't trust. By being cautious, you can protect yourself from online scams and fraud. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, consider hitting that subscribe button. We'll be posting more awesome content like this in the future. Stay safe and keep your personal information secure. Before making any online purchase, always check the website's physical address and phone number. You can also check online reviews and ratings to see if others have had positive experiences with the store. Don't let the fear of online scams keep you from enjoying the convenience of online shopping. Just be mindful and take the necessary precautions. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.